I am turning $100 into $100,000 through trading. It's day 10. Target today reach $380. Let's go. We placed a breakout trade here. We got clear confirmation. Let me explain you the whole setup now. So I was looking at this chart and I found that this was the support level. And here the price tried to broke but failed and it reverses then. And after that price again goes down, failed again, reverses again, and again it broke the zone successfully, which means now we have our first breakout. And once we have our first breakout, what we do, we wait for the second break. And in this case you can see this is the candle which gave a clear second break, and that's the reason I placed this trade. And if we look at the candlestick pattern and the price action also, it also suggested that the price needs to go down because this is a steep move, which means retracement is required in this chart, and that is the reason I placed this trade. The second breakout gave a clear confirmation that this is the time where the price will start moving in the downward direction, and that's the reason I placed this trade. We got a clear break here, and you can see we successfully won our first trade. And this is going to be the last trading session of this week because I don't trade in OTC market. I only trade in weekdays, no trading on the weekends. Let's try to find other opportunities also. And currently I think the price will go down furthermore, but I don't want to place any trade because I cannot find any strong levels that I can look for so that I can place a trade. Currently I don't think that the price will stop until this buying zone, but I'm not placing any trade because this chart you can see there are so many rejections level, and this is also a previous resistance which can work as a support for the market, and that's why I don't want to risk anything. But according to the price action, according to me, the next buying zone is here and we can expect the price falling down. But this is my expectation. I'm not going to trade with my expectation. I will only place my trade, and I'm 100% sure that I'm following all the rules. I don't want to play a game of guessing, and that's why I'm not placing the trade, although the price is going down after that, which I was expecting, but I didn't place the trade. Let's find a solid opportunity so that we can place another trade. Price is falling very strongly and I placed a trade in the downward direction. The reason is very simple. As I told you in the beginning that as this is a breakout and retracement is required, the price will go down. And I was expecting that the price will go down up to this buying zone. You can see the price didn't stop there. It keep on pushing in the downward direction, which means the selling pressure is too high. And if the selling pressure is too high, we need lots of buying volume to stop it or to reverse it. And for me, this is the stop where we can expect the price reversing. And as this zone is far, I place this trade here after finding this strong bearish candle, because according to me, the momentum that the price is carrying right now, it can only be reversed by a strong buying volume, and the buying pressure exists in this zone, and that's the reason I placed this trade. And you can see we have won this trade easily, and now you can see the price is still moving because this is an aggressive move, and this shows lots of selling orders, lots of pending sell orders, newly injected sell orders, and that's why the price is moving that strongly. And that's why I was thinking that if the market failed to reverse this price move from this buying zone, then it needed more buying pressure, which is available at this zone, and that's why I placed this trade. Now let's try to find one more trade. We placed another trade in the upside direction. Let me explain you why I took this trade. So first of all, if you look carefully, this is a resistance zone and this is quite strongly visible, which means that it holds value. So first thing, I waited for this resistance to be broken. This is a strong bullish Marubozu candle which broke the zone completely, which means that you can expect the price will go up if we have real volume. So what I did, I waited for another break, and in this case, as you can see, This was the candle that shows rejection. The rejection came from the upper zone, which means that this is the retracement phase. It was a small retracement phase, but it was a retracement phase. And after that, this candle, it goes up. My entry is little late. I should have placed my trade here, but right now last 6 seconds are remaining, and let's see if we are going to win this trade or not. And if we lose this trade, we will take one more trade. Yes, we lost that trade. So we placed another trade in the upside direction because we know that our entry is correct and we are going to win that trade, because the previous entry was wrong. It should be like here. We lost yesterday also, a day before yesterday also, because of the late entry, but this time this candle will go up and will close as a bullish candle. Why? Because this is a second breakout and you can expect price going up for the next liquidity zone. And for me, the next liquidity zone is here. So the price will target this zone and will reach here. So let's wait. We are running in profit and last 7 seconds are remaining. 5, 4, and we are going to easily win this trade. I have no doubt in my mind. And you can see we booked profit. So we have taken 4 trades, lost 1 trade, and still we are around $13 shorts before reaching $380. So let's find one more opportunity. So the price reached the zone which I was expecting. This is where I was expecting that after this breakout, this second break, the price will go up to this particular liquidity zone, and the same thing happened. And now I'm expecting a reversal in the downward direction, but I'm not going to place a reversal trade in this case. What I will do, I'll just use the bottom support like these, take one reversal trade in the upside direction, because I think the market have enough fuel to give another reversal in the upside direction, and that's why I'm still going to place a 1 minute reversal trade in the upside direction by using a support level. Going against this strong trend will be foolish because market can go further up. So what I will do, I'll use the retracement phase. I'll wait for the price to reach any support level and give me weakness through price action. Once we have the weakness, we will try to take the trade once we have a candlestick confirmation, because if we want to place trade, we need the trend, we need the buying zone. I'm talking about in an uptrend. So we need trend, we need a buying zone and weakness in the price action so that we can take reversal trade. So let's wait for that opportunity. So we placed our trade in the upside direction. The reason I have explained you previously that I'm expecting price moving up as this is a strong uptrend, and I'm going to use the bottom support zone to take one reversal trade, because I think the market have enough fuel to move in the upside direction, which means the price action is showing aggressive buying, or we can say a strong buying, which means the number of new buy orders or pending buy orders are enough to hold the market and reverse it again in the upside direction. That's the reason I placed this trade. Although currently we are running in loss, I'm expecting a rejection very soon. Let's see, last 11 seconds, and okay, it looks like we are going okay. Nice, just okay. Finally we at the very end booked our profit. Currently I just want to say one thing. Today market is moving very randomly. I don't know why, but it was very hard for me to find a trading opportunity, like perfect trading opportunities. Today we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 trades, but I was not very sure about all these 5 trades. There were some trades which were very solid, but all in all these trades are not that solid. Although we managed to win them, but I was not very sure about those setups, and but still we managed to make profit. A day before yesterday, the price action was also moving very randomly, and on that day I lost 2 trades, And today also I lost one trade. It's part of the game, but sometimes you know that the price is not moving according to your strategy, and in this case I will advise you not to take trades. I'm doing this trading because I have a target to achieve. Otherwise, if this is the case, if the price action moves like this and I feel like that the trend that the price action is not moving according to my strategy, in those cases I strictly avoid taking trades. But as I'm doing this challenge, I have to take trades every day, and that is the reason I am taking these trades. If you think the price is not moving according to your understanding, I would advise you not to trade on those days. It's not advisable. And one more thing, if you are in a trading profession, it doesn't mean that you have to trade every day. You have to trade on those days where you feel confident and you know that you are going to have a profitable day. If you feel like that the price is not moving correctly, you should not take trade, because if you trade on such market, you will start losing, then you will revenge trade, and at the end you will be wiped out from the market completely. That's why I advise you to have a discipline and always listen to what your instinct is telling you. Do not trade with your ego, with emotions, and that's how you can trade. So final breakdown for today, we have taken 5 trades and we managed to make around $42 after taking 5 trades. We lost one, and 382 is our final balance. That is it for today. We'll see you in the next trading session.